Most bad decisions in a business are not reckless. They're rushed. In the UK, you're making calls on pricing, hiring, and cash flow in the gaps between client work, staff questions, and the admin you cannot ignore. Under pressure, you default to shortcuts, you discount to keep the peace. Say yes to work you should not take or delay the decision until it becomes a problem. That is how the margin disappears, quietly. JT1 isn't automation, and it isn't a chatbot. It's structured decision support that helps you think clearly when time is short and the stakes are high. In the first 30 days, founders use JT1 to make faster decisions and protect margin by pressure testing assumptions, comparing scenarios, and choosing a path you can defend. Watch the demo. See how JT1 works for your business and start making your next decision with clarity.